Namaskaram everybody. It's lesson number 130. It's a lesson in continuation of an earlier lesson. The topic is sports. We will learn new signs for some sports now. Golf, ball and hit. Golf. Hurdles, run and jump. Hurdles. Kho-kho. Kho-kho. Shooting. Shooting. Polo, horse and hit. Polo. Rugby, hold the ball and run. Rugby. Pole vault, hold the pole, round, jump. Pole vault. Bowling. Bowling. Rowing, boat and the sign of rowing. Rowing. Hammer throw. Hammer throw. Now that we have finished new signs, let's take our practice time. Let's share and revise signs from our previous lessons number 56, 93, 118 and 130. That makes it a total of 40 signs under sports that we can share and practice together. Also, please click on the description box below and watch the previous lessons at your own convenience and on your own time to revise the lessons. Let's now take a short practice time. Cricket, basketball, volleyball, table tennis, badminton, football, throwball, hockey, swimming, athletics, long jump, high jump, shot put, cycling, skating, tennis, Discus throw, javelin throw, skiing, weightlifting, wrestling, karate, boxing, archery, surfing, baseball, ice skating, figure skating, judo, gymnastics, golf, hurdles, kho-kho, shooting, polo, rugby, pole vault, bowling, rowing, hammer throw. Thank you, friends, for giving and sharing your time with us. Please continue to practice. Take care of yourselves, stay safe, stay with your families, stay at home, stay protected. Be careful, take care of your health, that's very important. See you again when we start our next lesson soon. Yes, bye-bye.